Hello friends, we are continuing a discussion of special test 2 organic chemistry. Now we are into question number 78. Which of the following is heterocyclic aromatic species? Heterocyclic aromatic. So obviously in the carbon chain means in the cycle there must be any other atom other than carbon. So we have oxygen. This is furan. Furan is means it is aromatic because it is cyclic, and all the carbon and oxygen are sp2 hybridized. This is a special case. This oxygen is sp2 hybridized. One lp is present in p orbital. All right, so how many pi electrons are there? 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6. So all the three conditions are obeyed, means Huckel's rule, planarity and cyclic. So this is aromatic. This is also aromatic. Second structure is also aromatic, but it is not heterocyclic, it is homocyclic, means all the means in the cycle we have carbon atoms only. This is not aromatic, this is not aromatic. Now look at question number 79. The correct order of dipole moment. It is very confusing, so you should be careful. CH3Cl, whose dipole moment should be less than CH3F, but CH3Cl is more than CH3F. So this order you must remember. CH3Cl shows exception. All right. Now look at question number 80. Question number 80. In this question the answer given is wrong. You should be careful. Heat of hydrogenation, order of heat of hydrogenation. See, with the an alkene which is highly stable on hydrogenation will produce least amount of heat. So if you look at the stability of these alkenes, this is the third one. See, this is but1,3-diene. This is most stable because of M effect, means they are in conjugation, pi sigma pi. So there is conjugate effect and it is most stable. All right. Look at this movement and this movement, or it is opposite movement like this one and this one. So this is more stable due to M effect or resonance effect. Now this one, D structure, that is but2ene, is stable due to 6 hyperconjugated structures. Means we have 3 plus 3 6 alpha hydrogen. So 6 plus 1 you can say, that is that does not matter. So 6 alpha hydrogen atoms are there. Now look at B structure, it is propene. So we have 3 alpha hydrogen. To find alpha hydrogen, what you have to do, just simply take this C double bond C in circle. The carbon atom bonded to that system is called alpha carbon, and the hydrogen bonded to alpha carbon are called alpha hydrogen. And this one is least stable. All right, that is consecutive double bond system. This is least stable. So obviously on hydrogenation this will produce maximum amount of heat, then this one, and least amount of heat is produced by this one. All right, so you should be careful. We don't have correct answer here, so you should be careful. Means I have confirmed it from the net also. I have confirmed it, so you don't have to worry. All right, so I am here for you. Anyway, look at question number 81. The question number 81, order of acidic strength. See, in benzoic acid, any ortho derivative, if you look at the acidic strength, means if you want to compare it, actually it is obviously a bit tough. All right, look at let me see if we can explain this. It will take some time. All right, see, it depends on the stability of benzoate ion. All right, benzoate ion. Greater the stability of benzoate ion, greater is the acidic strength, because after the donation of H positive, it will not take back that H positive donated. Now the problem with the plus I group is, see, or this methyl group shows hyperconjugation. So this is the movement, this movement and this movement. See, electrons are moving in this direction. Alright, so obviously they will destabilize this negative charge. So the point is the order of acidic strength, should follow this one, that is benzoic acid should be strongest acid, then meta, because at meta we don't have this hyperconjugative effect working, only plus I effect will work, and then para, because here we have hyperconjugation as well as plus I, but much less. Here we have both plus I and hyperconjugation. So this should be the least stable carbon ion which is formed, means not carbon ion, carboxylate ion, which should be, it is least stable, means this carboxylate, that is COO negative, having CH3 group at ortho position, should be least stable. So, and this one should be most stable because they are all electron releasing groups. So the order of acidic strength which we should get is this. Alright, but there is ortho effect in benzoic acid, that is any ortho derivative of benzoic acid is stronger than benzoic acid and other derivatives, that is meta and para. So we get this acidic strength order. Alright. Question number 81, the order which we get is this, that is B is most acidic and D is least acidic, that is this one. Alright. Now which one is most stable? Now say, look at the structure, we have a free radical, so we have extended conjugation, means from benzene ring also electron can come. Here we have extended conjugation from here, then benzene ring, but maximum extended conjugation is in the first case. Here we have a conjugate system only from benzene ring. Here we don't have a conjugate system. It is stabilized due to only hyperconjugation. Alright, so first one is most stable. This one, this kind of movement, this is most stable. Alright. Now look at question number 83. Question number 83. We are given some carb anions which is most and least stable, or the order. This one in fact is most stable because here two benzene rings are there and this electron pair present on this carbon atom gets shifted to two benzene rings, means it is stabilized by two benzene rings. Here this one is stabilized by one benzene ring. Here it is destabilized by this ethyl plus I effect. Here this is destabilized by 2 methyl plus I effect of 2 methyl groups. So this is least stable and this one is most stable. Alright, so the correct order is this one, third option. B is most stable, then A, and D is least stable. Alright. Question number 84. Look at question number 84. Which of the following is most acidic? Now again we have benzoic acid and now we have NO2 group. Now NO2 group is obviously electron withdrawing group, so it will increase the acidic strength, and again ortho effect is there, so without hesitation you can say orthonitrobenzoic acid is the strongest acid. Alright. In which compound resonance is not possible? See, again there is a problem in the structure, that is, this is not double bond, it is not at all possible, this is single bond. Now see, in this structure, if you look at the structure, the maximum covalency of nitrogen is already achieved, so this kind of movement is not at all possible. Alright, so that is why the question number 85, the question is not possible, resonance is not possible, here resonance is not possible. In phosphorus, due to presence of d subshell, resonance is possible. In boron, due to presence of vacant p orbital, resonance is possible. And here we have a conjugate system, so no problem. Alright. Now look at question number 86. Which has highest resonance energy The species which is most stable. Now look at question number 86, third option. We have aromaticity in this species. This is cyclic. This is cyclic. All the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized and 4n plus 2 equal to 2. So n equal to 0. That means this is aromatic. So if a species is aromatic, this is highly stabilized due to resonance. That means it has highest amount of resonance energy. Alright. In furan, oxygen A is sp2 hybridized. So this is wrong. It is heterocyclic aromatic. This is correct. It is heterocyclic non-aromatic. This is wrong. So first one is correct. Only first is correct. Order of basic strength. NO2 group will withdraw electron density. NO2 group will withdraw electron density, whereas OCH3 will increase electron density. Electron releasing group. So these two electron releasing groups, they increase electron density over nitrogen or availability of LP over nitrogen. Hence this is most basic, then second one, and this one having NO2 group is least basic. Question number 89, benzene is aromatic because this pi electron has nothing to do with the aromatic behavior. This pi bond is formed due to lateral overlapping of two sp2 hybrid orbital. Alright. This is in the molecular plane, whereas these three pi bonds are above. These three are above and below the plane. Alright. Question number 90. Question number 90. This is most stable. Question number 90. The question is, which is most stable? So no doubt this one, because of aromaticity. Here this negative charge is attached to benzene ring. That is a different issue. It is inbuilt. It has inbuilt aromaticity. So this is most stable. Second, you can go for this one. Alright. So this is it. Thank you.